Good morning, YouTube. It is a semi-gloomy but warmer day here in Milwaukee. This is our downtown. We're passing by it, but we are heading to my buddy's tint shop right now. Because the first mod I do on all my cars is the tint shop, or it's a tint job. So yeah, we're heading there right now. I normally get 35% all around. That's my number. I know in my state 50% is the max you can do on the front, 35 on the rear, but I just do 35 all around. The rear window's already tinted, which is nice, but I'll get the 4 doors tinted and call it a day. So we're heading there right now, and yeah, the car's basically a fishbowl right now, so I want my privacy. I want I was driving the other day and I just remembered why I always get tints. When the sun hits you, no matter how cold it is, if that sun's on your left side, it is baking you. No matter how cold it is outside, that sun, like, heat coming in, it bakes you. So, yeah, it's the first mod I always do on the car. Technically an aesthetic mod. I call it semi-functional mod because it just makes me more comfortable. But yeah, we'll head there and I'll keep you guys posted on it. But for now, we have a 30-minute drive. Okay, we're outside, car's tinted. The last scene you saw there's no audio because of the music in there. I don't want a copyright claim, but she's done. Oh, it looks so much better. We went 35%, matches the back. Oh yes, daddy. Oh yes. And just like that, she's done. Oh, yes.
How sick would you be if I just drove straight through the snow while you were recording your video?
I'd be very sick. Got the difference between no tint, tint. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Oh, get away from me, man.
You know you like it.
No.
Okay, we're back in the car. We're gonna do a little bit of a pull here. Just for you guys, just for you guys. Come to complete stop. There's a car coming. Get a little bit boost. Oh. Anyway, so the car is now tinted. I don't know if you can tell. This is what I like about like doing 35s. Like from the inside, for the most part, you can't really like. It's a little bit darker. I'd say maybe 7 to 9% darker. But again, nothing crazy, right? He was able to match the darkness, and he thinks the rear was 35. He was able to match that, so it looks perfect. It doesn't look like the rear trunk's darker than the front. He doesn't think the rear trunk is, or the rear glass is darker than the front. But yeah, somehow there's a tank. Makes sense to me. Anyway, so yeah, that was our first mod. It looks good. Already I can feel, because it went from gloom and doom to bright and sunny out, as you guys can see, and it already like is not beating down on me. The tints look great. There's no air bubbles. This is why I go to this guy. Door panels get cleaned when he's done. You know, the water that runs down. He has a towel on it, but it's all clean and dandy and nice and fresh. I think we're in sport mode right now. Yeah, we're in sport mode. We'll give it a little bit of a pull, shall we? Shall we? Shall we? We'll give it a little bit of a pull. We'll give it a, oh, hold on. Oh, the dirty diesel FedEx truck wants to go first. Just a slight pull. Just a little bit. Oh god, there, oh, the GMC terrain turned. Ah. God. Oh man, you just, oh god, this thing's great. Oh, if I had callous downpipes, it would crackle and pop the tune. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Technical first mod of the car. I'm super happy with the results. This is great. If you have any questions, let me know. I go to Tint Studio in Mequon. But yeah, we're getting the BMW to look nicer and nicer every day.